Hi, everybody. Welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. Our summer reading program was a great success. And now that school will be starting, you'll want to check out tutor.com, which gives you access to one-to-one on-demand tutoring from kindergarten through college. You can find this on our website. Be sure and watch our latest Get to Know Your City interview. It was at City Hall. You can watch it and all the others in the series on YouTube or on any of our social media pages. We have an adult program that sounds like great fun. It's Painting with Coffee on Saturday, August 19th at 2 p.m. And there's always Stitched Together on Mondays at 1 and English conversation groups on Thursdays at 2 p.m. The Teen Department DIY Monday for August 14th is paper quilling, and on August 21st, it's journal binding. These programs are from 6 to 8. You still have your game nights on Thursday at 6 p.m. and Teen Tabletop on Saturday, August 19th at 12 noon. Now, there's going to be a special program, and it's Teen Yoga and Self-Care Night on Tuesday, August 22nd at 6 p.m. You'll get to do some refreshing yoga and discover care for your mental health. Registration is required for this program. In children's, we have a programming note. Homeschool Explorers will now be on Mondays at 10, and it will be in person. And hands-on move to Wednesdays at 10 a.m. There's a couple of crafts that we're going to be doing at Homeschool Explorers. And this is for the August 14th. It's called a hanging sculpture. And the one on August 21st is tide pool art. Isn't it cute? I like this one. This is really cool. There are two new programs starting. One is Toddler Tales on Wednesday at 2 p.m. and Tween Crafting Night on Thursday from 6 to 8. You'll want to come check these out. And Buddy Peg's Bicycle Playground will be back on Tuesday, August 22nd from 3 to 5. There's always something going on at the library. With school starting, everybody stay safe now. So until next time, hope you all have a wonderful couple of weeks.